Hi, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, a professional tap teacher and choreographer for over 30 years. In this video, I want to tell you a little bit more about my custom choreography services and what that process looks like. So if you want to get started with custom choreography, you simply reach out to me and let me know what kind of dance you want to do, what's the venue, maybe it's competition or recital or a pageant or just a talent show. Let me know who all is going to be dancing in it. Is it just you or is it a group of dancers? Give me as much information as you can. You reach out to me at rod@unitedtaps.com. Then I'll reply in a very timely manner, letting you know any additional information I need. Like maybe I want to know what steps you for sure would want in the dance, or maybe what steps you for sure, we don't want to do those, ones you don't want in the dance. So I'll gather as much information from you as possible, and then I'll put together a quote for you. Now typically I have two different price ranges. I have a lower price range for choreography that is just footwork. So some people will reach out to me and say, I just need the footwork, no arms, no formations, and there's one price for that. And then there's another price if you want all of it. You're like, I want the footwork, I want arms, and if you have a group, you may say, I also want all the formation work. And if you want those current prices, you can go click on the link below, and that'll take you to our custom choreography page, which will have our updated prices. So I will put together a quote for you. Once you approve the quote, we can move forward and start choreography. Now typically I require payment first, just because I've been burned in the past. So you can pay for as little or as much of the choreography up front as you want. Some people just pay it all up front, but if you haven't worked with me before, you might want to be more cautious. You might say, hey, I'm just going to do the first 30 seconds, and we'll see how that goes. And you can do that, and then I'll choreograph an amount equal to whatever you pay for. If you pay for the first 30 seconds, I'll choreograph the first 30 seconds and send them out to you, so you can look at them and say, hey, this is what I wanted, or ooh, this isn't quite what I wanted. If it's not what you wanted, you just simply have to let me know. Let me know how you want it. And maybe you're like, this was a little too difficult. Can we bring the difficulty level down? Or I want it a little more flashier, whatever it may be. You can reach out to me, let me know. I'll revise the choreography if necessary, and then send it back to you. Even if you purchase for the entire routine up front, you pay for all of it up front, I'll still deliver it in 30-second chunks typically. And I do that for a couple of reasons. Number one, it gets you the choreography faster, so you don't have to wait until all the choreography is done before you start learning or start teaching it. And it makes sure that we're both on the same page early on. We both want the same thing. We both want a great routine that you're happy with. So if I send you the first 30 seconds right away, you can say, hey, this is what I want, just keep going with this. Or you can say, no, it's just too hard, make it easier, or I want it flashier, or whatever the adjustment may be. And we can make that adjustment at the beginning. So as we go along, you're getting what you want, versus you wait till the end and I send you a whole routine and the whole routine was too hard, or the whole routine was not what you want. So I do it in smaller chunks that way, and it's worked out very well. There are a couple differences between custom choreography and the other content that I sell at UnitedTaps.com. One of those is that I don't do close-ups of the feet for custom choreography. In over 300 routines, no one has ever said they didn't get what my feet were doing, so that hasn't been a problem. And the second is that I don't do a performance facing the camera. Since the primary goal is just to have you learn it, and I'm not promoting this publicly because it's a private video just for you, I won't be doing a performance towards the camera. So those are a couple differences from my normal content at UnitedTaps.com. So that gives you an overview of how the process works. Of course, if you have any questions, reach out to me, Rod@UnitedTaps.com. I'm always happy to help out however I can. All right, thanks so much, and I hope to be working with you soon.